All right. Welcome to Burly Boy Cooking.
Nah, that would be nasty.
All right. Step one is to look up our basic recipe. Let's see the directions. Pound them to quarter inch. We gotta pound them? Okay. Okay. I got it. We're good. I know what we're gonna do, man. All right. We're ready to go. So we're gonna go to the grocery store and pick some stuff up. Be back after the grocery store. All right. Cool. Okay, so we just got back from the store. Got our ingredients from the store. Got some Frank's Red Hot Buffalo style. Some blue cheese, some cream cheese, some Monterey Jack, some of this, some of that, some of this. And now we need to put it all together into something that tastes good. Let's go. So the first thing we gotta do for this recipe is actually follow the ingredient list right here on the Frank's Red Hot. Yeah, they got a buffalo chicken dip that I really like, so I'm just gonna make that. It's really easy, tastes good, and it's pretty simple. So let's get started with that. First things first, you add in the all-important Frank's Red Hot. All right, open sesame. That's a lot. And you just dump it in. Then you get half a cup of ranch, and you just
We need silence!
and you dump that in. Yum. Kind of looks gross right now, not gonna lie. But I know it's gonna turn out good, so that's all that matters, right? Half a cup of crumbled blue cheese. You know, I'm just gonna eyeball it.
That looks okay. That looks like too much.
Woo! That's pungent. Smell it.
It smells like someone farted.
One package, 8 ounces of cream cheese. Softened. I'm just gonna take a fat scoop and just kind of mix it in. Maybe 2 fat scoops. Heck, you know, maybe a 3rd fat scoop, because you know, cream cheese is always good. It says a cup of cooked shredded, 2 cups of cooked shredded chicken, but we don't have any cooked shredded chicken, and I can't afford more cooked shredded chicken. So I'm just gonna use some lunch meat that we have in the house. Hopefully it turns out good. You just kind of rip it up and toss it in. Wash your hands, kids. It's good. Making some of that tasty buffalo dip. And then you just stir it all up.
Do you want me to get this?
Sure.
Zoom in.
You just stand right here. Now that we're done with this part, we're on to the next step. Setting up the cordon bleu.
It's blue.
All right, now that we have our delicious looking buffalo dip, it's time to get to the It's time to get down to what we really need to do, the cordon bleu part of this. So first things first, you want to take your chicken. Ooh, is it still frozen? Oh, it is still frozen. So you take your chicken and you slice it horizontally like this. Come through. Mom, come here. chicken breast, because you know, they're kind of thick. This is even a little too thick, but it's okay. Think that's good?
Yeah.
Yeah,
it's good enough.
All right, now you just do the other one. That was terrible.
You have 3.
Now you have 3 halves of chicken breasts that you can use to pound out and get ready to turn into Cordon Bleus. If you don't suck, you'll have 4. Now before you, Vin,
Yeah. Oh.
now that you have it cut up, you just toss it in a bag flat because we're gonna have to pound it, and pounding makes a mess. Adjust it in, just squeeze out as much air as you can get. Now it's ready for pounding.
We did it.
That was fun. All right, once you're done beating the crap out of your chicken, pull it out, and it's gonna be a little bit, it's gonna be flatter, about a little 1/4 inch. I'll say it's about a 1/4 inch. Wow. Nice. First step you wanna do once you get the chicken done, this is when you're actually gonna prep the chicken to be cooked. So you hit it with a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, just season the chicken a bit, flip it over, do it to the other side too. And then, the all-important step, you gotta fill it.
Wait, don't you cook it? No.
Oh! You wanna preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You take a spoon, grab it, spread it across. Now you roll up the chicken, stick it. And then you stick it with a toothpick. Pick it up and set it in a greased pan. Boom. Then you repeat the process. And then squeeze it all in. Boom. For the finishing touch, you give them each a little bit. Give them each a little coat of Frank's Red Hot. Not that much.
A little? That's for towel in there.
No. I can save it, I swear. All right, now we take it, throw it into our preheated oven. For a certain period of time. All right, it's been 35 minutes and it's time to take it out. One thing I did while I wasn't on camera is I threw a piece of pepper jack cheese on top to melt it and look pretty and taste good because, you know, pepper jack cheese is good, you know, cheese. Oh, wow. There's the completed product. Set her down. Ooh. Wow. Yum. Sizzling. I got 2 thumbs up for me.
Choose your weapon, opponent.
now, smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe. I'm just kidding.